In today's digital age, customers have no patience. They want what they want, and they want it right now. If you don't give it to them, they'll find someone else. That was dramatic. Now that we have that out of the way, let's make sure this doesn't happen to you. One easy way to retain customers is to use QR codes. These are similar to barcodes, but different in the sense that they allow you to link any kind of information to them. QR codes are fast and easy to use. They streamline processes because they can be scanned and used from anywhere just using your phone. They save you and your staff a lot of time because customers just don't need you that much anymore. And best of all, they're so eco-friendly. With PosterMyWall, you can add QR codes to your designs for free. You can place this design as a 10 card instead of just handing out menus. Customers can just scan it. By the way, you can customize this menu on PosterMyWall for free too. You can also add QR codes to coupons to push traffic to your website and your social media. Other fun ways to use QR codes is to put them on product materials, business cards, digital signage, and of course the posters and flyers that you make on PosterMyWall. Don't limit yourself to using QR codes to just link people to your website. You can also link them to email sign-up forms, launch a phone call, or connect them to your Wi-Fi network, and much more. If you'd like to learn more on how to create a QR code, I've linked the video down below. Thank you so much for watching.